Interpreting the technical specifications for the Pacific Scientific PC834-001-T brushless servo drive. The drive has a continuous output current of 7.1 amps. It has a peak output current of 21.2 amps. The peak output power is 9 kilowatts. The peak capacitance energy absorption is 40 J. This PC834 uses RS-232/485 serial interfaces. There are 6 optically isolated inputs. It also features 3 optically isolated outputs. The drive features overtemperature and undervoltage protections. It is 198.1 millimeters tall. It is 114 millimeters wide. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Pacific Scientific servo drive sales and replacements.